Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Foundations today. We are going to learn a new word of the day today. But before we learn a new one, let's review the words that we learned in this unit so far. We learned this word. Let's tap it together. Act, act. This word says act, and we marked it up. Do you remember what the word act means? Try telling whoever you're working with or a stuffed animal. We also learned the word block. Let's tap it. B-U-A-K, block. We showed our markings and that it's a closed syllable because the O makes the ah sound and it's closed in by one or more consonants. And we know that this word can mean more than one thing, just like all these words. So tell a stuffed animal or whoever you're working with what the word block means. And for bonus, you can tell them why we marked it up the way we did. Okay, and now we're ready to learn a new word. Are you ready? Here's our word of the day. I see a suffix S, which means there's a base word. Do you guys see the base word? Let's tap the base word. I'm going to cover the S. Are you ready? D-R-I-O. Drill. That's tricky because that blend is super tricky. DR. Let's tap it again. D-R-I-O. Drill. And the whole word is drills. Do you guys know what that word means? This word can mean a few things. It can mean a drill that you're using as a tool to fix something. But with the suffix S, it means there's more than one. So remember, if it's more than one, then it's a lot of drills, a lot of tools that somebody's working with. Maybe that person has drills in different sizes. Does anyone know another meaning for the word drills? We do drills every day in our warm-up. We do our drill sound warm-up. We do our R-controlled vowel warm-up. Those are all drills that we go through. They're like routine. We do lots of drills throughout our first grade day. Okay. Now, I am going to use this word in a sentence. I have 2 drills. That means that I have 2 tools that are drills. Now you try to say your own sentence. Okay. And lastly, let's go over some things that we've learned this unit as we mark up the word and see about this word. So, is this a closed syllable word? What do you think? Does it have one vowel in it? And does it have more than one consonant closing that vowel in? It does. Remember, if we cover this suffix S, the base word is drill. Now, what if I covered both of these L's? Would it still be a closed syllable word? It would not. Exactly. Because the word ends in the vowel. There are no consonants closing that vowel in, which is going to have the vowel sound make the long sound I instead of I. But when I have the 2 L's, it's going to make it a closed syllable. Do you see how that happens? Okay. Now, do you guys remember all the markings for this word? Let's try it. You try marking it too, and then we can check our work together. I'm going to do it right here. I see a blend in the beginning. I also see a bonus letter. Do you guys see the bonus letter? Yes. Remember, if a word ends in F, L, or S, then you have to add a bonus letter. So first, let's mark the base word and the suffix S. Are you ready? I'm going to underline the base word and circle the suffix S. And now I'm going to mark my bonus letter by a star above the bonus letter L. Am I missing any markings? There's one more marking. We can't forget to mark our closed syllable. So we already have our base word underlined. So what are we missing? We're missing our C to show it's a closed syllable word, and the symbol above the vowel to show it's a short vowel sound. And now my markings are complete. So check your work and see if you understand why we have all these markings on this word. Beautiful. Now, in your notebook, I want you to write this word and mark it up. And then I want you to write a sentence using this word. You can use the sentence I said before or come up with your own sentence. Make sure you check your sentence to make sure it's in complete form. Upload this word marked up and this word in a sentence onto Google Classroom. Great job learning a new word of the day.